Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Salesforce Marketing Cloud login problems, auth errors step by step clearly. If you're encountering login problems with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, specifically authentication errors, you're not alone. First, ensure that you are using the correct login URL for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Double-check your username and password for any typos or incorrect characters. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Be sure to check your email for the reset instructions. Follow the link provided in your email to set a new password. Once you've reset your password, try logging in again. If you are part of an organization using single sign-on, verify that you are accessing the correct login page. Contact your administrator to ensure there are no issues with your SSO setup. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve login issues. Try using a different web browser or an incognito window to eliminate potential browser-related problems. If you are still experiencing issues, check if there are any ongoing service outages. Temporarily disable any VPNs or proxy servers as they can sometimes interfere with logins. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, ensure that you're completing all the required verification steps. If none of these solutions work, reach out to Salesforce support for further assistance. Be prepared to provide detailed information about the error messages you are receiving. Following these steps should help you resolve login problems and access your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.